Today, we will learn to trade crashing markets with full top-down analysis. However, I will also teach you an alternative and relaxed way of trading for all the beginner traders. If you're ready, let's do this. Once in a while, with all kinds of markets, we have these certain crashing days. During such times, there is no point in fighting with the markets. WIF is one of the best examples of today. This coin were crashing like hell. Let's work on the top-down analysis on this coin. From the weekly outlook, I always ask myself, what is this asset trying to do right now? Is it clearing liquidity or filling an imbalance? As you can see from the weekly outlook, it looks like it was filling this weekly imbalance. The market tries to balance itself. We also had this down liquidity area, but it is far away target, but an idea to keep in the mind. When you look at the daily outlook, you will get a much more precise idea about what may happen. Filling this daily imbalance looks like the daily goal. Maybe it will fill it and react, or it may react right now. Or maybe a crash will continue to wipe out these daily equal lows. Again, this bottom liquidity is far away target. I am not concerned yet. However, just look at the recent price action. This coin is crashing badly. There's no point to have a long bias on this right now until we see a price switch and the power of the possible bulls and the buyers. I hope this gives you all the ideas about how to get a bias ideas when you look at the weekly and daily charts. With the momentum layout, this crash is very obvious. The early price switch happened yesterday already, but many probably missed it. If we look at today, this 30-minute imbalance was a nice point of entry to check out. It taps and powers down. And if you check the hourly charts, look at all the imbalances. Sellers took the full control of this asset. Buyers have no power at all. Here's a tip for you all. When you see an asset fall like this crazy, a falling knife, do not push your luck to long it. You can try to long this as an investment method, but for trading, you will get burned a lot. If you really want to long this asset, just wait and observe the price action. Wait for buyers to step in really strongly. Wait for failing imbalances first. Let's have a look at inside this 30-minute imbalance and talk more in detail. Once the price taps the 30-minute imbalance, the first thing you should notice is the insider swing failure pattern and the market structure shift. This is how the sellers take the control and price switch in structure boxes with lower time frames. Remember, in high time frames, sellers are in full control. In low time frames, buyers and sellers keep switching places. But with this market structure break, both low and high time frames are controlled by the sellers. Rest is simple price action with smart money concepts. Keep shorting the asset with imbalances or bearish order blocks. However, let's ask a question here. Can you enter this trade differently? Let's talk about that. I know that many of you are having hard times with entries, especially with low time frames like 1 or 3 minutes. As in the masterclass, I said that 1 and 3 minutes will have many fake moves due to being liquidity for higher time frames such as 5 or 15 minutes. However, you have 1 option. Use gigantic and very big trade setups. Check this entry model here. It is a gigantic entry for all the beginner traders. The entry. We entered the coin right after a market structure break, not waiting for any kind of pullback. The stop. We use the stop as the protected high point of the sellers. Why this mega stop loss? Because price can pull back here. We do not know that. We just caution ourselves. The target. If you cannot find any targets such as liquidity or imbalances, just use a fixed targets of 1 to 1.5 R. I think 1 to 1.5 R ratio is great for all the beginner traders. Here you go, a beginner trade setup. Now go watch a Netflix or something. Not everybody has to be a 1-minute scalper. Scalping is hard. It is extremely hard. Try it yourself. If you do not like it, just go on higher time frames. Save yourself and save your money. Okay friends, I hope that this video was educational. Take care for now. See you in the next video.